Hey guys, so the other day was St. Patrick's Day and I was in the process of making Reubens when I realized I didn't have Thousand Island dressing, which most people probably don't have Thousand Island dressing in their fridge. But what I did have was a bottle of Chicago sauce, some mayo, and some ketchup. And I found out that you can make the best Thousand Island, or what they call the special sauce, using these three ingredients. All you do is you take basically 1 portion of mayo, 1 portion of ketchup, so equal parts here, and 1 portion of Chicago sauce. Put that together. Mix it up, really easy here. I just use a fork. Looks, turns into that pink, chunky sauce. Smells like, look at that. See that? Incredible. Now, got myself a Reuben. Try it out. Oh yeah. It's perfect. Remember, equal parts. Ketchup, mayo, and Chicago sauce. You can also find this sauce, bigforkbrands.com. See you later.